Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into a next-gen keyboard that blends cutting-edge magnetic switch tech with an ultra-slim, esports-ready form factor, introducing the NuPhy Air75 HE. This is not just another low-profile board, it's a rapid trigger, Hall effect powerhouse designed for serious gamers who demand speed, precision, and portability. Let's get right to the highlight, the magnetic Jade switches. These use Hall effect technology, meaning each key registers using magnetic field changes rather than traditional mechanical contact. This allows for adjustable actuation points and, most importantly, rapid trigger functionality. That means keystrokes can trigger and reset at lightning speed, giving you a decisive advantage in games that demand fast reflexes like Valorant, Fortnite, or Apex Legends. What makes the Air75 HE special is that it packs this cutting-edge tech into a low-profile, 75% layout. You're getting 84 keys, including all the essentials like arrow keys and function row access, in a super compact footprint. It's perfect for clean setups, tight desk spaces, and of course travel. Build quality is another standout. The keyboard features an aluminum top plate, sturdy bottom housing, and hot-swappable switch support, so you can tweak your typing feel or replace switches anytime. The typing experience is buttery smooth, and thanks to its PBT keycaps, you get a crisp, grippy texture that resists shine over time. Despite being wired, it supports ultra-low latency performance ideal for competitive play. The board also offers per-key RGB lighting, with fully customizable effects that you can control via NuPhy Console software. Whether you're in the mood for soft ambient glow or reactive RGB sync to your gameplay, it's all possible. You also get features like onboard memory for saving profiles, macros, actuation tuning, and more, all inside a sleek, minimal frame that's lighter and slimmer than most pro gaming boards. So if you're looking for a low-profile magnetic keyboard with esports level performance, the NuPhy Air75 HE is absolutely worth checking out. Tap the Amazon link below for the latest price and availability, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse. We've got the hottest gear reviews dropping daily.